Welcome to another installment of Powder Doctor videos. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up your powder booth. Lay out all panels as shown. Insert the tabs on the bottom panel into the slots of the left side panel. Insert the dividing panel into the middle slots. Secure the dividing panel tabs with MDF washers, nuts, and bolts to the left and bottom panel. Nuts and washers not shown in video are included in your package. Insert the bottom panel tabs into the corresponding slots on the right panel. Secure the tabs on the right and bottom panels with MDF washers, nuts, and bolts. Insert the top panel into the corresponding slots. Secure the remaining tabs on the top panel with MDF washers, nuts, and bolts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other powder coating videos at powderdoctor.com.